Let's see how to build an AI chatbot powered by OpenAI ChatGPT and also the DeepSeek AI model. So here the idea is to use both of these models, and when one model goes inactive, the other model takes in. So here, for example, the OpenAI ChatGPT is the key player in the AI space at the moment. So let's use this OpenAI ChatGPT as the main model, and when the OpenAI ChatGPT is down, we can actually use DeepSeek at the time to answer any sort of customers questions using the power of AI. So here if you check the OpenAI status, see the API actually down sometimes. So here for example, it was down for like 1 hours and 23 minutes on February 5th, 2025. So that means if you use just OpenAI ChatGPT to build an AI chatbot, then your chatbots won't work for that specific 1 hours and 23 minutes. So that's why it's better to use a backup AI model as well. So let's see how to implement this one over here. So here I'm in a demo account. First of all, you need to go to settings over here. So in settings, integrations, you have to connect your API keys from OpenAI ChatGPT. So for example, if you click on learn more, you can find instructions on how to grab your API keys from here and connect it on our platform. And likewise, you also need to connect the API keys for the DeepSeek AI model as well if you are planning to use it as a backup model. So likewise, you can actually use other models like Google Gemini, Cloud XAI as a backup model as well. So let's see how to use a DeepSeek as a backup model as well. So here, if you're wondering how to grab your API keys for the DeepSeek, click on learn more again, and here you will see instructions on how to grab your API keys and add to your account. So once it is done, we can actually build a chatbot powered by OpenAI ChatGPT and also the DeepSeek AI model. So here I'm going to use a free template over here, and here I choose all free templates over here, and here let me choose this one, AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template. So let me make a duplicate of this one so we can actually keep the original as it is, and let me rename this one as AI chatbot, let's say OpenAI plus DeepSeek. Continue. So click on open this particular template over here, and this is the default template over here. So here we want to add the DeepSeek as well. So here this is the OpenAI ChatGPT action over here, which actually respond to the customers based on the information we have provided right here. So here if you want to use the DeepSeek when the OpenAI fails, so here you have the fail action as well. So in this case, let me simply disconnect this particular connection over here and add an action over here. The action will be the DeepSeek. So here DeepSeek, and here you can choose a generate text as it is. You want to save the custom where you want to save the response to a custom field. So here you have to choose the AI output, because let me show that. So this is the AI output we set up for the OpenAI. So let's use the same thing for the DeepSeek as well, because this particular action will run only if the OpenAI fails. So let me connect this one over here, and it's important you need to update the same business information for the DeepSeek AI model as well. So let me copy all the information over here and simply add it right here as well. So simply paste it. Alright, so here we have added all the information about that specific company called as Smile Center for Kids. Alright, we also have this AI trigger, sign up for the newsletter. So here if you go to the prompts, you will see sign up for the newsletter allows customers to get special discounts, VIP offers and latest updates, where we collect a particular customer's full name, email and phone number. So if you want the DeepSeek to do the same thing, so you need to set up the same AI triggers for the DeepSeek as well. So let me add sign up for the newsletter. Alright, and click continue. So now if the response is success from the DeepSeek, we can simply send right here. So what happens is that first it send the request to OpenAI, and if it is successful, it simply send the response to the user. Suppose if it is failed, so that means the system is down or something else, then it will actually send the same request to the DeepSeek and send the AI output to the customer. Suppose both of these models failed, you can actually send a response to the customer saying sorry, something went wrong, and here you can actually notify your admins over here as well. So you can add a notification text, something like this, both OpenAI and DeepSeek down, and click publish. So you have to make this particular flow as the default flow as well. For that you have to go to the settings over here, choose settings. In general, you have the option to choose the default flow. Choose OpenAI AI chatbot OpenAI DeepSeek, save it. So now here to track the response, what you can do here is that let me make a duplicate of this one right here and connect it over here, and here let me say response from OpenAI And here let me add this text saying response from DeepSeek. Okay, so here, just to differentiate each of these responses, we can add something like this just for the demo purposes. Alright, so let me publish this once again. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So let me show my Instagram over here and show you a live demo. So let me ask this question and see how this actually works. So if the OpenAI is successful, we will simply receive the response from the OpenAI. So it says response from OpenAI. This is the response. So if it is failed only, then it will actually start the DeepSeek AI model. But if you want to test how the DeepSeek AI model works, we can simply change the starting step right here. So that means OpenAI request won't be processed. So the starting step is this one. So here the chatbot flow will run from here, 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 here. So OpenAI request will no longer be processed. So let me send the same message over here saying, hey there, where are you located? So this time we should actually receive the response from the DeepSeek because I changed the starting step. So here we receive the response. It says a response from DeepSeek. We are located at this particular area. Simple as that. Even though we used two different models, OpenAI and DeepSeek, but the response from each of these models are same for this specific question, as you can see here. From this omnichannel inbox, an agent can easily track the conversation happened from all the channels, including the Instagram right here. And from there, it can send any sort of messages. They can even book appointments right here as well using the create appointments, and they can even send different products as well. So that's a quick video on how you can use OpenAI and DeepSeek to build a robust chatbot that can work 24 hours. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.